So this is my veggie box, and then I have some leftover veggies that I think I have to use today. So I'm gonna put everything in the orange chicken. So yeah. I'm gonna cook eggplant first because it absorbs a lot of water and oil so quickly, like this. And I'm gonna put all the veggies, add some oil as well, some salt, and I'm gonna turn off for a sec. I'm gonna put some soy sauce. I'm gonna put this sauce. Adding this gochujang, just 1 scoop. And I'm gonna turn it again, mix with veggie all together. Taste. Turn it down a little bit. And I'm gonna add some pepper. Kind of like to make it spicy today, so I'm gonna add more cayenne pepper. It's the chicken. And mix all together. Pepper. Final look.